Yo, what up, fellas and ladies? So anyways, welcome back to another video. It's gonna be a short one. So today I'm gonna show you what I recently bought a couple of days ago. So I finally managed to get myself a CTS turbo downpipe for my car. And in the previous video I said I was gonna get one, and finally I got myself one on a good deal also. So here's the package, ready to go. So yeah, so right now I'm not gonna be able to install it on this video. In a couple of days I will. The reason why I'm not installing it today or tomorrow or whatever is because I don't have an O2 sensor, O2 spacer for the O2 sensor to place in. The reason why is because if I install this, it's gonna trigger the check engine light, and I don't have a stage 2 software for my car just yet. I will eventually install the stage 2 software. I don't know which one though. I don't know if I should pick Unitronic or APR. Let me know down in the comments below which one should I choose. But anyways, yeah, so right now, that's later on down the road. I'll get it eventually. I'm not really rich. Little by little, I'm trying to get the car parts for my car slowly. So, but anyways, yeah, so I'm just gonna show a little quick unboxing on my downpipe, see how it looks. It's a downpipe with the cat. So yeah, so enjoy, my friends. Let's unbox this thing. All right, here we go. This is so cool. Look at this. I got myself a lanyard, or whatever this is called. You know what I mean, but yeah, that's cool. Thanks, CTS Turbo. Wow, so this is it, guys. It's right here. Cat's in here, so have bubble wrap. Yo, this thing is nice. This part here too. Long wrap box. It's already boxed. Wow. Damn, this thing is huge. So this is it, guys. The downpipe. Oh yeah, baby. And then it comes with these. They're like I guess to rip on the downpipe and stuff. And this here is a 3" to 2.5. That's pretty cool. It's pretty neat. just an extra 3-inch pipe. Yeah. That was my little quick unboxing of my CTS turbo downpipe. So yeah, she's a beauty. But like I said, I'm not gonna install it now or tomorrow. Maybe in a couple of days I will. I have to first order that part, the O2 spacer for it. But yeah, so you guys wanna stick around and tune in on the install? You know what to do. Subscribe. If you like this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. That will help me a lot. But anyways, yeah. Thank you so much, guys, and we'll see you around. Catch you later.